वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। माई सेल्फ वरिंदर सिंगला। आज हम गैलेंट्री अवार्ड्स इन इंडिया के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। बेसिकली ये सारे मिलिट्री अवार्ड्स भी कैटेगरी में आते हैं। तो गैलेंट्री अवार्ड्स होते क्या हैं? द गैलेंट्री अवार्ड्स हैव बीन इंस्टीट्यूटेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया टू ऑनर द एक्ट ऑफ ब्रेवरी एंड सेक्रीफाइस ऑफ द officers, personnel of the armed force, and other lawfully constituted forces and civilians. These gallantry awards are announced twice in a year, first on the occasion of the Republic Day, then on the occasion of the Independence Day. The gallantry awards are classified into two categories: the gallantry in the face of enemy and the gallantry other than in the face of enemy. In the first category of gallantry award comprises of Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, Veer Chakra, and the second category of gallantry award comprises of Ashoka Chakra, Kirti Chakra, and Shaurya Chakra. The post-independence first three gallantry awards namely the Paramveer Chakra, the Mahavir Chakra, and the Veer Chakra, were instituted by the Government of India on 26 January 1950, which were deemed to have effect from the 15th August 1947. Thereafter, other three gallantry awards, that Ashoka Chakra Class 1, Ashoka Chakra Class 2, Ashoka Chakra Class 3, were instituted by the Government of India on 4th January 1952, which were deemed to be have effect from 15th August 1947. These awards were renamed as Ashoka Chakra, Kirti Chakra, and Shaurya Chakra respectively in January 1967. The order of precedence of these awards is the Paramveer Chakra, Ashoka Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, Kirti Chakra, Veer Chakra, and Shaurya Chakra. So, first of all, we will discuss about Paramveer Chakra. The Paramveer Chakra is the India's highest military decoration awarded for displaying distinguished act of valor, which means great courage and lack of fear during wartime. It is India's highest wartime gallantry award. Paramveer Chakra translates as a wheel of ultimate brave. It is of military category award and established on 26 January 1950, and is award is granted for most conspiracy bravery in the presence of enemy. The Paramveer Chakra is equivalent to Ashoka Chakra, and next higher award is Bharat Ratna, and next lower one is Padma Vibhushan. As of January 2018, the medals have been awarded 21 times, of which 14 were posthumous after death of the recipients, and 16 arose from the action in Indo-Pakistan conflict. Of the 21 awardees, 20 have been from the Indian Army and one has been from the Indian Air Force. This is the Paramveer Chakra to whom they are given. Mahavir Chakra. The Mahavir Chakra is the second highest military decoration in India after the Paramveer Chakra. It is again category of military established on 26 January 1950, awarded for act of consequence gallantry in the presence of the enemy, whether on land, at sea, or in the air. Mahavir Chakra is equivalent to Kirti Chakra, and next higher award is Param Vishisht Seva Medal, and next lower one is Padam Shri. As of January 2021, the medals have been awarded to 219 times, of which 74 were posthumous after the death of the recipients. Recently, in January 21, Mr. B. Santosh Babu of rank Colonel is awarded with Mahavir Chakra for 2020 Operation Snow Leopard. This is the image of Mahavir Chakra. Next one is Veer Chakra. Veer Chakra is an Indian wartime military bravery award and is third in precedence in wartime gallantry awards. Comes after Paramveer Chakra and Mahavir Chakra. It is again of military category award established on 26 January 1950, awarded for act of consequency gallantry in the presence of enemy on the battlefield, whether on land, at sea, or in air. Veer Chakra is equivalent to Shaurya Chakra. Next higher award is Ati Vashisht Seva Medal, and next lower one is Yudh Seva Medal. As of January 2021, the medals have been awarded 1322 times, that means 1322 times, of which 361 were posthumous, Marnoprant. Recently, in January 21, Mr. Gurtej Singh of Indian Army of rank Spy is awarded with Veer Chakra for 2021 China India skirmishes. This is the image of Veer Chakra. Next one is Ashoka Chakra. Ashoka Chakra is India's highest peacetime military decoration awarded for valor, courageous action, or sacrifice away from the battlefield. It is the India's highest peacetime military decoration award. These are awarded. These awards are biennial, are given on the Republic Day as well as on the Independence Day. Again, category of military, established on 4th January 1952. Awarded for the most consequences, bravery, or some daring or predominant valor or self sacrifices other than in the face of the enemy. These decorations may be awarded either to military or civilian personnel. Ashoka Chakra is equivalent to Paramveer Chakra, and next higher award is Bharat Ratna, and next lower one is Padma Vibhushan. As of January 2021, the medals have been awarded 86 times, out of which 68 were Parnobrant. Recently, in January 21, Mr. Babu Ram of rank Assistant Sub-Inspector of J&K Police is awarded with Ashoka Chakra. This is an image of Ashoka Chakra. Next one is Kirti Chakra. Kirti Chakra is an Indian military decoration award. It is the peacetime equivalent of Mahavir Chakra, is the second in order of precedence of Peacetime Gallantry Award, comes after Ashoka Chakra and before Shaurya Chakra. Before 1967, the award has been known as Ashoka Chakra of Class 2. Again, category of military, established on 4th January 1952. Eligibility for this award is awarded for valor, courageous action, or self-sacrifices away from the battle of field. It may be awarded to civilian as well as military person, including posthumously awarded. Kirti Chakra is equivalent to Mahavir Chakra, and next higher award is Param Vishisht Seva Mandal, and next lower one is Padma Shri. As of January 2021, the medals have been awarded 496 times, of which 198 were Parnoprant. In January 2021, 5 recipients are awarded with the Kirti Chakra. This is an image of Kirti Chakra award. Next one is Shaurya Chakra. Shaurya Chakra is an Indian military decoration award. It is the third in order of precedence of Peacetime Gallantry Award, comes after Ashoka Chakra and Kirti Chakra. Category of military, established on 4th January 1952, awarded for valor, courageous action, or self-sacrifice while not engaged in direct action with the enemy. It may be awarded to civilian as well as military person, sometime Marnoprant. Shaurya Chakra is equivalent to Veer Chakra. Next higher award is Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, and next lower one is Youth Seva Medal. As of January 2021, the medals has been awarded 2014 times, out of which 627 are posthumous, Marnoprant. Recently, in January 2021, Major Anuj Sood of Rashtriya Rifle Regiment is awarded with Shaurya Chakra. This is an image of Shaurya Chakra. So these are the 6 gallantry awards that are being awarded by the Indian government. 3 are of in the face of enemy, and 3 are against the face of enemy. The face of enemies are Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, and Veer Chakra, and against the face of enemies are Ashoka Chakra, Kirti Chakra, and Shaurya Chakra. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Happy learning.